We live for our children. And this run is just one aspect of how we love our children and how significant they are to us culturally. They are our monumental human treasures, for they represent the hope and the dreams of the people today. Just to see them with their strength and their dignity, with the hope that they give me, with the dreams that they will bring into existence far into the future because of the great love of Yellowbird, Eowivicus, for all of them. Cheyennes, Yellowbird, we live for our children.